you're ready. I don't think you're ready. If you're ready for the top girl, Shaneil Muir, put your hands in the air right now. All my independent ladies, put your hands in the air right now. The girl that went on a man problem, put your hand in the air right now. Rough gun, give it again. One more time.
Check.
Shaneil, ready. Citra.
I'll be done music.
Them girl, they are really my bella, yeah. Take it off. I me never born enough.
Sumfest! You ready? Every shot girl in here right now, you ready? Turn it up.
Me never born in a near sweet. Me still shop at DDs and me still shop at. No go turn no places. Me a girl me no.
I'm in a private.
A young girl no feel. And if I know your size though, and if I know your price though, you better buy all your money. Level. Woman free of confidence. How you feel? And do you little 9 to 5 for darling. I collect a check for Friday morning, but somehow no don't use conscience. Rather buy here before you pack up in a man car before you put your kids before you. So what a good thing, yeah, and I will never ever live. Oh, yeah. Sumfest, you know we don't live. Because I live my life. Me not spend me renting on no party. Me not buy patron if me don't have a. Right now me deep when I say them a bring like y'all and them scope now. Watch a one man clown and tenor. And them girl nigga. And even me for them can't stand to say them yeah man they manda. So what a good thing. Set it on report. And I will never impress people. Yeah, tell me no, you know we don't live. Impress people. Oh, yeah. Because I live my life. I tell it over high. Every time girl make some noise in Montego Bay. Listen on. If you know so your top girl wants to wave your hand on the ear. Ladies in the back, over your tongue. Every section, sing it and ready. Anything wanna wear, me buy that. Hey, anything wanna wear, me buy that. Anything wanna wear, me buy that. Go walk and borrow that clothes. Never. I mean, no see the boy if he call me out, me name Budota. I mean, no easy to get and if a boy get me. Promise, me no see the girl if you run up on me. No watch her pretty face. I ain't no some ex. And in the game I play me up you win. I'm in a take those. Listen, I'm swearing that I did. I regular me up in tell them boy. Yeah. Any game I play me up you win. Come in a take those. You know never. So you really feel say me I go sit down and make a boy clown me. Any man me there we have the old way up. And if you ever here set up, you'll not fight over man. Every bone me bro. And me a girl me no tear. The little girl can call out me. And if I know me and my team in the jump in every time y'all sing now man. I you know say me exclusive. And in the game I play me if you win. Come in and take those. I'm a swear that I did. Regular me if you tell a boy. Don't say yeah. Any game I play me if you win. Come in and take those. You know I'm in a take losing. If you're a top girl and a boy can't style, you say bam 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 bam. Them no know.
Sumfest, let me talk to the top girl, let know.
Ready? Look for my good. Too nice, full of man problem. So me no worry about them. I depend on me and me back book apart. Top girl no need boyfriend. Me too real for you worry about fakeness. I me no care about all who no break me. Don't be insecure about you. Every time you say them man can hate me. Them no know. Say me a real top girl. I want top girl from Mobile. All of the top gal them MBHS. Where the top gal them from Herbert Marson. Where the top girls from Mount Alvernia. Them no know, them no know, them no know.
Send me a real top gal.
Them for know, them for know.
Real top gal. Real top gal.
I can't talk to them rough, but look for me.
Doing that try.
No face pretty, me no need no filter. Real top gal a road. Sharp like sprinter, me know we a gal. Posing a rental, work for this, you know coincidental. Money longer than the line in the airport. I'ma see them white like the airport. Me a drip hard, me soon need a creep up on level. Them no know, them no know, them no know.
So me a real hot gal.
Them fi know me a
real top gal.
Them no know, them no know we a
real top gal. We can do it natural.
Them no know, them no know, them no know. Say me a real top gal. Them fi know me a
real top gal. Real top gal. Real top gal. We can do it natural.
Sumfest, how you feeling? All of the real top man, them want your bust a blank over your head, say bam, 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 bam. The man, them there too, you know. But, I can't tell you something. No matter what you do in life, you're gonna get a fight. All who know say your struggles are your blessing. But I stay on another year, no man. Make some nice, no man.
I'm Mindy, and I'm a meathead. I went to this place to find other meatheads. Didn't really pan out. It wasn't easy being a meathead. Now it is.
Meat for real meatheads. Yumbo.
Up in our deals, no inside bathroom. My daddy off he work so me. Mommy never did it till me turn 15. My youth and abuse me to me yoga doggy. If I want to lose my self-esteem, you see if I
start all over again.
But tell me wouldn't change a thing. Me wouldn't trade a thing because
the struggles I'm a blessing.
you see if I could start all over again. Me say me wouldn't change a thing. Me wouldn't trade a thing. Sumfest, what's up? Sit ya. As if I never hurt me, wouldn't know. And if I never church, me wouldn't know. And if me never feel, me wouldn't put me on. Darkest time of the day, at the time before dawn. So me there for me, it's getting harder. If me make it this far, my mind now a Christian host for the level. So we know what different think, I don't know me focus. I know for them your people, yeah them know. And not the same one where you want them grow up. You want to be careful cause them will get your shortcut. Because them not be see you when you are fit. Me just a one way my turn and stay. Rest in peace to my brother them. Me wish you did day and dark to never change like the weather done. Good start all over again. Me say me wouldn't change a thing. Me wouldn't trade a thing because I'm a struggle, I'm a blessing. You see if I
Good start all over again.
Me say me wouldn't change a thing. Me wouldn't trade a thing because I'm a struggle, I'm a blessing.
Sumfest, make some noise for Shaneil.
Listen to me now. You see, in 2018, I lost a lot. I'ma just keep losing and losing and losing, but there has to be a silver lining down by the end of the tunnel, don't it? All of the people who lose somebody, let me see at the end of the year. More want to send up one and send up on the selection. For the people who want to lose, if a mother, father, sister, brother, make some nice for your people, them. Drop it. Your sponge music. Father God, are you alone? If you know that one yourself, sing it with me. When I see your pity, them.
See your face. Can't pretend like me no one depend on faith.
But only, oh, you you tell her to you, say mommy there. I you not see that there. Me say me can't pretend.
No one defend the pain.
But only God knows. Father God and you alone. No for my money in the world. Can't believe, I'm really not gonna see over. Disbelieve, I got your kids them. And then they take me up, I get them. And I feel they want to feel it that. You didn't know, tell me have your back. You don't do nobody know. Tell me why they wanna do you that. Rest in peace, man. I mean, no really like what's my phone. When me see your PD day,
Your pain.
me say me can't pretend. And I want to defend the pain. But only, oh, you tell her to you, say mommy there. And you not see daddy again. Can't pretend. And I want to defend the pain. But only God knows. Father God and you alone. Ladies, how you feeling? Well, may I tell you, I said sometimes we lose some people, and sometimes we lose some man. All of the ladies, them I wish them could have take back something they give some man from long times. More you make some nice. Sometimes some of them just have to just dead to it. But may I tell you, if they did have a quote, when me could have carry a boy go for this, I would bring him. And you know what I want? Ready? Yeah, ladies, we are gonna do it like this. When you touch me good, but if you ask me never happy, I need a man for touch me good and also treat me right. You know I never need your money, just your regular body. Cause anything me want me get, no matter what the price. I top girl in your life and I never lie. You treat me like you want me live your fear another guy. Your action, them a reaction. Can't style it down on me, no. You never love me. Oh, you feel for no one say hello. Oh, you tell him, say. Yeah, I'm in no ugly. I'm in wash, cook and clean and quit. But still you never say you are the worst, cause your body blessed. But baby touch alone now go bring me happiness. Cause every day I'm straight, every week I feel depressed. And if I never try and tell me straight, me know me tell you something no matter what me would do. See why you do the things you promise that you wouldn't do it. Your action, never reaction. You can't stand it down on me, no. You never love me. Oh, you feel for no say you lose. So take your time and yeah, I'm in no ugly. I'm in wash, cook and clean and but still you never notice. I know my body needs. Myself tell me why your body needs. I beg you tell me why your body needs. Myself tell me why your body needs. Why your body needs. Why your body needs. Ladies, make some noise for yourself. That is it.
Good, good.
Make me talk something.
Ready?
Yo, the nigga.
You hear it?
Ladies, make me talk something.
1, 2.
Ready now.
Been a while and no things but talk about. Yeah, see a nigga from Waterhole. No baby girl. A new man in our life. See me ring finger, you fit on white. But Shaneil upgrade from side chick. Moody Muffin, 10 to arena. What kind of car him drive? Them 5 trucks and leather. You're too light. Swear him about 6'5". Big bull tattoo on him right hand way.
But that sound like my
Oh way.
Tell her where your man come from.
Right in the air.
Which kingdom? We're messing with the same damn boy.
Yeah, I swear I didn't know that he was seeing you. We messing with the
Same damn boy.
Well, on the rough part. Remember the ladies them sing the part here. We messing with the
Same damn boy.
We messing with the
Same damn boy.
I'm gonna see if they know the second verse. Hold on.
Question, notion.
Say you got a tattoo, right? You said he's 6'5", brown. Can't believe this, you're too light. Hold on, do you know his birthday? Yeah, hey, how are you say, what you say, what you say? Our kind of young this boy, how we are sharing the one. If I play, we not play for love. We are gonna make him understand, but right now,
we messing with the same damn boy, yeah.
And now there is no doubt, we are big calling out. We messing with the
same damn boy, yeah.
Girl, what we gotta do? What can't take we for gold? We messing with the same boy, same boy. Same. We messing with the same boy, same boy. Yeah. We messing with the same boy, same boy. We messing with the same boy, same boy. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Reggae Sumfest, make some noise for Shaneil Muir!
Well, on there. Let me check something real quick. Flanker there. Flanker there. Now there. Catching all there. Mobina there. Oh, ready.
Make we slow down Sumfest, listen me talk, Gyal. Sing to Sumfest now, ready?
Listen, ladies, have you ever been in a relationship where you want the man want you, but you don't really want him? Who never been in a relationship there? Stop it. Ladies, are you here? All of the side chick that make some noise. All of the wifey them scream. The ladies them there, man.
Make we talk to every ladies in Sumfest right now. Talk to every top girl in here right now.
I just think it's time. Can't get me off your mind, mama sugar. But it's telling off a fall for me. But it looks like you love the good vibes, you love the touch. You love the good life, what's up the buff? You want a good wife with a water truck. Temporary parking you cannot. You see what you like, but I swear I would have touched your heart. You know what? I swear you don't know. You know what? No, no. You know what? Me for you, become it just. Yeah, yeah. You know what? Me feel. I swear you don't know. You know what? Me feel. No, no. You know what? Me for you, become it just. Level. Once the pleasure done, please pack it up. I know you may want just love me back it up. So now put your heart in it, put your middle part in it. When I come here, so feel love, so wrap it up and put it down yourself. Fun yourself, we know that's the way for that go. And if you know, say you're not ready, do not. I may not do the drama, cause I'm a star. They must say we know that we are far. Dash!
Sean, make me represent for all of the independent ladies in Sumfest right now. Let me represent to all the ladies that have their own in Sumfest right now. All the ladies that have your own in Sumfest right now. You have your own. Turn it up, top girl.
Anything my man give me is a plus. If we left today, my can't broke. Enough girls stuck in a relationship because they don't have level. Me got me one. Tell me how a boy fi style me, and I don't need a man fi mind me. Me got me one. Yeah, me work hard, but if me did a struggle, them won't nobody mind me. Me got me one. I me no borrow, me no beg, and me surely no need a girl fi remind me. Me got me one. Me got me one. Me got me one. You can't hype up on me, remember me pretty Natalie, no fake. Work. Come in and go sell my body today. From a me and be proud of me little bit. Empty barrel of the loudest. Y'all for your ambition, no depend for man. Anything me up, me know. Me got me one. Tell me how I'm wife is style me and me don't need a man. Me got me one. But you
one.
I me no borrow, me no beg, I me surely no need a girl. Me got me one, me got me one, me got me one. Hold on there. Let me check something. Ladies, if it's yours, but that's why I say mine. Yeah? The ear for your head, mine. The shoes for your feet, the man where you get, you're too light. Me got me. Tell me your wife is style me, I'm a don't need a man.
Yes, sir.
Me got me. Hear me work hard, but it's me need a. Tell her can't say me got me. I me no borrow, me no beg, but surely no need a girl fit. Me got me on, me got me on, me got me on. Hey,
Hold on the top, girl.
DJ Star.
Top, girl.
Yeah.
This is Sumfest.
Yes.
And when it comes to Sumfest,
Ready?
it means lyrics.
Ready?
I want you to drop a freestyle in Sumfest tonight. Let me see something. Let me see something in that Sumfest.
Ready?
Let me see some.
Ready? Mix it. This is something full of lucky night. Squeaky, I must hear over ducky night. Say it warm like say a pot lucky night. But this is nothing, so no. No broke boy can't broke in it. Top girl, you a touch her struck in it. The one touch from a game stuck in it. Round the clock, PP clock. I told me I'm the IT but for 1989, but please don't.
Roscoe, give me back the rhythm. Roscoe, give me back the rhythm. She bad. Sunfresh, she bad. Sunfresh, she bad. On the one more lyrics. On the one more lyrics. Top girl, you have some more lyrics.
Ready?
What's the one you know?
Level. One
What's
drop.
the one you know?
I know the new whip for you put in on me driveway. I know the brick for you put in on me hand. I know the little liquor when me sip and give me my grade. And this something where me a sit down and make a day. That's it, eh?
What's up,
What's up, girl?
Ladies, how you feeling? Why? Yeah. Ready? Hey, yeah. All who is a 450 son, make some noise. If you're a 450 fan, make some noise. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I want it no. Want it come. Want it low. Sing fear. I'm wanting now. That's how many way you know. Well, I'm gonna see if that is on my part. Yeah. You my one, I need your money for me. Look already, we can't there. I'll type of girl. Toxic, so pick one honeymooner. A real top girl, you want her. You better control your thing. Me will lose her from toxic might. Hey, me ramp up, me while you don't. When my cross, I do not. Because you won't find my mark if you lost me. Yeah. Fall in love. But can't leave now. What you mean? Only just stand up and look for me, so. I mean alone for stand up and look, I mean no name nothing for coming at this. If fit in at this, I mean no name nothing. I don't know belly full, come and say jerk, come and say one wally for something I go on. So yeah, why? So the next song them want to sing and go on out themselves. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
No, 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 no.
Make the party with reggae Sumfest now, top girl.
Top girl.
All of the ladies. Let me see you go on with yourself. Ready?
Start one.
I love you. Ayo, you make me happy. This I wanna lie, you know you. I am my body good, nobody no never. Me never broke down, no, so me nothing. Nobody not for no say. Sit down on the locker seat. How about a flying on my belly? Stop my locker. But him war on me, stop it. Hear me want show you the real me. I'm born so cute for your one so. You know long me want put this up for you. Come make we touch in and Genie. Hear me want show you the. I'm born so cute for your one so. You know long me want. So fling that in a me, when me back it up so. Me stop my tight, so you knock it up so straight me down. Rub the thing until me end, and even in our next life. Yeah, can you give me the best right? I'm 3D touch it on it. Every time you sing, no man come away. Hear me one. Humble, my too cute for that one, so you know all of me want. Come and put touch in a 3D. Hear me one, show you the real me. Humble, my too cute for that one, so you know all of me want. Ladies, for those who don't know, and gentlemen, my name is Shaneil Muir from Montego Bay. So put it in your head from now. Ready? But can't talk to the natural ladies, them big up the ladies, them on your body and stay good, so say. Pretty naturally, my money stack properly. One time, girl, any other. Never go see commission in the worship level. Haters, me no watch a crowd, but watch a papers when they tell account the money, big machine, which calculator them out. But I know the one we grab your waist and lose your weight. I like my tights, fat like my vice. Old man so tight, boy, shit back. Come when me sing, girl, act like I want to mix it level. I come get the break, now take the break. Me working daily, want to reach, I really reach it. I'm now for me. God, don't tell them what they don't feel me, I go beg no ratings from a band. Me never see no ratings level. Me in my prime time, me are them worst news. Them no but them badness, surgery this, surgery that. Low me, in a me this, that one on me. I want top, girl, I ain't on no. Ready? Oh, just
Reggae Sumfest, if you love Shaneil Muir, make some noise right now. That's a good. Talk to them, talk, girl.
if you're bed, no God, no bed, baby. Oh. Yes, when me say this, me not talk the poor people, them we really not have it. I'm talking about the ladies that can buy dresses. I'm betting that just 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 or more. I want to hear causing 180,000. Get to the priority straight. All of the top girls in one was said, y'all my betting. We have got not here.
What you know?
If you're bed, you got no bed, then be a big girl. Yeah. And if you're still a walk and beg one and sit. Come in, no take shot from no boy.
What you say?
I mean, no take shot from no girl leader. Me never get up. Box. Oh, we must be real, so now watching me. Come in, I from bossy. Enough of them broke like dog and I move like that. Who watch him I move like that. Listen, until you know we not from bossy. Yeah. Me up here up my gun, call over them favor. Me say enough of them favor. Me say a long time in the life. Mix up now this. Sumfest, thank you so much, Montego Bay. I love you all. Let's up.
Sumfest, wanna make some noise? Make some noise. One time, yeah.